Hello, welcome to Let's Make Something, where we'll have fun with electric circuit. In this video, we are going to apply science and mathematics concept, in particular parallel circuit and engineering design process EDP to make a product. What is engineering design process? Well, it is a series of steps that engineers follow to find a solution to a problem. It is also the integrator of science and math in STEM education approach. Let's look at the first step. The first step is ask and define the problem. For this project, the question is, how can we apply this circuit to make a functional product? And our task is to design and make a functional product that apply the concept of parallel circuit. The second step is to research and gather information. For this project, let us understand what is a parallel circuit. A parallel circuit composed of components that are connected parallel to each other. The components have the same voltage across their ends, and it has the advantage of consistent voltage of independent components. EDP step 3 is to imagine possible solutions and to plan. Let us think of some possible combination of components for parallel circuit. It can be light and fan, or maybe rotating light. We also need to consider the constraints such as cost, availability of the material, difficulty and usefulness of the product. Let us plan. I have decided to make a parallel circuit of a LED light and a fairy light because those things are available at home now. And the fairy light set came with battery casing and switch, make it easier for me to assemble the circuit. After thinking and sketching a few designs, I have decided to make a night light bottle. For this project, we need a plastic bottle, fairy light set, insulated wire, pizza saver, LED light, and optional of soldering iron. Now it is time to create a product. First, test the fairy light and LED light to see if they are working. Here I am using a slow changing color LED light. You can use any color of LED light and fairy light. Next, carefully make a hole on the bottle's cap, on the bottle's body and the pizza saver. You can use a knife, nail or scissors to do it, but here I'm using the soldering iron. Measure the distance from the cap to the hole made on the bottle's body. Here is around 10 cm. Next, cut two pieces of wire of 20 cm each, which is double the measured distance. Carefully remove the insulator at both ends of the wire. Stick the pizza saver on the cap using super glue or glue gun. Insert the LED light through the hole. Bend the legs of the LED light and mark the positive and negative terminal of the LED light. The longer leg is positive and the shorter leg is negative. Since I'm using the same color of wire, I used marker pen to indicate the wire that it will be connected to the positive terminal of the battery. Identify and mark the positive and negative terminal in the battery casing. Connect the wire to the terminals in the battery casing. Insert the wire and the fairy lights through the hole on the bottle wall before connecting the ends to the LED light. Make sure you connect to the right terminal ends. You can tie the cable tightly on the LED light. You can also use soldering iron to secure the connection. Test the circuit, make sure the connection is correct. Last, stick the casing on the wall of the bottle. I have put some cotton in the bottle earlier for decoration purposes. You can put flowers, glitters and many other things according to your creativity. Lastly, put a cap over the LED light. I'm using a translucent cupcake casing. Now, we come to step 5 to evaluate and improve our product. Well, I placed the bottle in the dark room to see its effect. Well, it looks beautiful, but the cupcake casing seems to be a bit flimsy, and the shape of the night light looks like a milk bottle. To improve, I changed the cap with a bowl-shaped translucent cap. Now it looks better, doesn't it? The last step in the engineering design process is to present and communicate your findings. You can write a report, publish your findings, broadcast through video, oral presentation, or share it in the social media. Well, hope you'll try it. Thank you for watching.